I believe we should announce our support for the Dalai Lama's middle way approach. For Tibet, genuine autonomy for Tibet within China. Now, while I have significant doubts that this will work, but if China will not agree to this within a set period of time, say 60 days, we should announce our recognition of an independent Tibet. If they're not going to go with this route that he's put forward, we should announce our support for an independent Tibet. Tibet, and for that matter, Xinjiang, have never been a part of China. No more than Kazakhstan or Uzbekistan were a part of Russia. They never were. They never have been. And we should call it out. For the Uyghurs, they've been moved from forced labor, confinement, incarceration, from concentration camps to forced labor. Same incarceration, different setting. Transnational oppression. We've got to pass legislation to address transnational oppression and prosecute people that have done it. We should start addressing Xinjiang as East Turkestan in our government documents. It's not new frontier for China, it's East Turkestan. And we should aggressively enforce our laws against use of forced labor. Just in summary, it's time to support religious freedom inside China. We've noted it for a long time, and we've got to get past it. And Mr. Chairman, I would submit for the record a map of China that was put in the Washington Examiner that actually shows what China looks like map-wise when you take East Turkestan, Tibet, and the occupied territories out. I think we need to start showing this.